Guys, Mohammed here from beautiful Bahrain. So here is the huge and beautiful big palace available for rent and for sale. So from outside I will show you later. It have a outdoor gym plus disco area, party hall and separate guest area also available. In Arabic you can see majlis, and here is the main entrance for this beautiful palace. You can see the elegant work here. And beautiful interior design. The paintings, rugs and decoration pieces, everything is outstanding. So this was the living area, and now I am going to show you the dining area. Everything is brand from brand. This is the Versace dinner sets and everything. And this have the attached guest toilet also here. Here is the closed kitchen, and it's very spacious. It's all inclusive here. All kitchen crockery, cutleries, everything available here. Bring just your bags. That's it. Check the paintings. And this area is going to the first floor. That was the main entrance. That side I already showed you. Now we are going to the other side of the villa. So on the right side, one master bedroom with attached bathroom is here. Built-in wardrobes. Everything is branded, antique and expensive things you will see here. This is the attached bathroom with private jacuzzi. This is the main master bedroom, built-in wardrobes and bathroom with stars. Here is the big jacuzzi also available. So I can show you like this. And here is the main master bedroom. With private bar. Now it's time to go to the first floor, and then I will show you from outside. Thank you so much. Stay with me. Sorry, I forget to tell you there is one more room, which is office room here. Third room on the ground floor. Beautifully designed, beautiful interior, and this room also with attached bathroom. So to be continued. So now we are on the first floor. You can see the elegant work here. The stairs are coming like this, and this is the living area on the first floor. Check the expensive paintings here. This is the main master bedroom on the first floor. And here is the private living area for the bedroom. Now it's time to show you the other bedrooms. So two main bedrooms on the first floor with the huge roof area, terrace and sitting area. And here is the closed kitchen, and there is a storage space also available. Now it's time to show you from outside. Stay with me. So here will be the separate your private gym, steam sauna, and outdoor jacuzzi pool. Because of restrictions, I can't show you the pool outside. And here is the guest toilet, and this is your party hall, separate. And private bar also available. Here is the outdoor majlis separate for the guests. So here it is the guest area, outdoor living area. Here this side and this side. Guest room. And guest toilet. Back side there is storage area. and here is the other guest room with attached bathroom. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon button. And if you want their details, you can see in the description, all complete details are available. Thank you so much.